Hello, this is JB and I'm with Austin Homebrew Supply here in Austin, Texas. And today we've been discussing winemaking equipment. In this section I want to talk a little bit about hydrometers. Hydrometers are testing instruments that we use in winemaking to check what's going on with the fermentation. In a nutshell, what a hydrometer does is it tests the density of a liquid, okay? So, in general, if you add sugar, a lot of sugar to water or grape juice to water, it's going to make it thicker, and it's going to simply make this hydrometer rise up higher in the liquid by the density of the liquid literally pushing it up. During fermentation, yeast eats sugar, producing ethyl alcohol and CO2. Ethyl alcohol is thinner than water, so you start with this thick sugary concoction, and then when it starts to become wine, it actually gets thinner because of the ethyl alcohol, and it'll start to drop again. So as a winemaker, we use this instrument to figure out what's going on with the fermentation and actually the strength of the finished product too. So hydrometers are very, very handy. It's something that we're going to ask you as experts to help you try to troubleshoot if you had any kind of issue with your wine. If you were to call in and say, hey, we have a question about it, one of the things I'm going to ask you is a hydrometer reading. So knowing how to read it is also important. This particular hydrometer is a triple scale hydrometer, and it comes in three different measurements: specific gravity, potential alcohol by volume, and also the Balling scale. Generally speaking, we're going to use a specific gravity scale in winemaking. So the scale starts at 1.000 and it goes all the way past 1.100. So by accurately reading the scale, you'll be able to know what's going on during your fermentation.